Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will learn how the commission feature works in QuoteMan. But first, let's understand more about commissions. In business, we often offer commission on sales to our sales team or customers. QuoteMan lets you handle commissions with ease by using the commissions feature. To access it, log into admin account using your registered mobile number and password. First, make sure that the commission setting is turned on. Go to the settings option from the menu bar. If it is not already enabled, turn it on and click OK on the confirmation message. You will then see a confirmation notification. Next, you can enable the commission settings for your users as well. Navigate to the Permissions tab in the settings and enable the Add, Edit, Delete commission options as per your requirement. Once this is done, you and your users will be able to create commissions while creating quotations. To create a commission, click on the quotation option. Now, create a quotation, as shown on the screen. You need to make sure that the customer and items are added to the quotation. Once done, head over to the commission section and select whether you want to assign the commission on the whole quotation value or on each item. Let's see the example as commission is applied on the whole quotation by selecting on whole option. You can assign the commission to a particular salesperson or the contact person of the customer. Now select the commission type, that is you want to give on percent or in absolute value. If you have selected on percent value, then you will have to select the value from the basic, discounted or total value. Next, you have to enter the percent value under the add field. QuoteMan auto calculates the value. Once done, you can simply select the duplicate button to copy the whole row. QuoteMan also gives the option to enter the absolute value by selecting the rupee symbol from under type field. This way you can enter the commission in absolute terms. Now let's see the example as commission is applied on the item basis by selecting the on item option. Simply select on items option from the drop down and the quoted items and sub items will appear on the screen. You can again assign the commission the same way we did on the on whole selection. After you have assigned the commission, you can save the same by clicking on the submit button. Your commission will be saved along with the quotation. The best part is that commissions are only visible to the users and not to the customers in any way. To view the commissions, simply click on the commissions option in the menu bar. All the data will be displayed there. To view a commission, click on the I button. You can also save it in PDF format if needed. To edit a commission, click on the edit button. This will take you to the edit quotation page, where you can modify or update the commission as required. To delete a commission, click on the delete button. A confirmation message will appear, click OK to proceed. That's it. Assigning commissions is that easy on QuoteMan. Thank you for watching. Visit QuoteMan.in to manage your sales commissions efficiently.